Hello, I am Leanna Schmidt, Copyright and Intellectual Property Librarian at the University of South Florida Libraries. In this short video, we will be talking about Creative Commons. By the end of this video, you should have an improved understanding of Creative Commons licenses. Nothing in this video is intended as legal advice. If you are seeking advice about copyright law or Creative Commons licenses, I suggest contacting an intellectual property lawyer. Creative Commons is a non-profit organization, a suite of licenses developed to help creators share their works online, and a movement of collaboration and sharing. Creative Commons licenses are built on and work with copyright law. They can be applied to copyrighted material for the duration of copyright protection. They do not prevent fair uses of material or uses that occur within other exceptions to copyright law, and they cannot be applied to materials in the public domain. Instead, the suite of Creative Commons licenses allows creators to communicate directly to their users about the kind of uses that are allowed beyond the restrictions of copyright law. Each license is made up of 3 layers. At the bottom is legal code, an extensive contract written on the foundation of copyright and authorial ownership that can be used in court. On top of that is a simpler, human-readable license that gives instructions to authors and users alike on what the license means. On top of that is a machine-readable code that makes CC licensed content easy to discover via online searches and platforms. Each license is composed of one or more of 4 basic elements: attribution, non-commercial, share alike, and no derivatives. Attribution is a basic part of all CC licenses, requiring credit or citation to the original whenever the work is shared or reused. In addition, authors can choose to restrict the reuse of their work to non-commercial activities. They can require that any derivative created by using the work is shared under the same license as the original, or they can restrict the creation of derivatives altogether. The licenses range from the least open, CC, BY, NC, and D, or Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivatives, which restricts commercial use and the creation of derivatives, to the most open, CC, BY, Creative Commons Attribution, which requires only attribution. As an author of copyrighted content, you can use Creative Commons licenses to give permissions to your audience to use your work more freely. As a user of copyrighted content, the Creative Commons licenses that others use to issue their work allow you to more freely incorporate those works into your research and projects without requesting permissions. More than 2 billion works are CC licensed by their creators across multiple online platforms like YouTube and Flickr. Thank you for joining me for this short introduction on Creative Commons licenses. If you have questions about the topics I have discussed here today, you can contact me at lmschmidt@usf.edu or use the USF Library's Ask a Librarian chat widget for general inquiries.